Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do a short show and tell video of a new kit that is listed in my Etsy store, and it's called Memories of the Past. I made this, I think, 6 months ago already. I started and I finished it during the last 6 months of last year. I think most of it before October, because in October my father-in-law died, and after that I wasn't capable of doing a lot because of all the things we have to arrange and not feeling very well. But this is finally done and ready to be listed. Memories of the Past, 20 pages, and it has elements that people see as things to remind them of the past, like pictures, an old handkerchief, dried flowers, an old letter, even old keys. So I added those, and there's a variety of pages because I have collage pages, but I also have ledgers. Yeah, these are Dutch script, so that's something different than you usually have in the kits. Mostly it's English and French. I have this page with a little doggy, and we have this page. I like this one. This is one of my favorite pages, with all the roses and the lace and the ledger. Here is a ledger paper, lots of flowers going on, and I have this tablecloth, or well, it's not a cloth, but look, it's about the same colors scheme. It really matches this very well. But yes, we have this page, and this is an old garden map that I designed in 2020. This was one of my first single pages I had in my store, and I did really like it. But I didn't list it anymore, so I included it in this kit. And we have this sheet with the pictures and a little ballerina girl. And now we go over to the tags and everything. 3 large tags, and of course the slanted pockets. Then we have little bits and pieces like stamps, old photographs, some flowers, butterfly, dogs, and here we have a large pocket, and these fit in this smaller slanted pockets, and some strips to embellish your pages or your tags. 6 tags, manila size. Then I have a sheet with 4, not sure if you can see, but these are slightly decorated. This one too. Library cards and the bingo card, and then I have library pockets, and this is the lining for the library pockets, so you have to glue those together like this, and then you have a floating pocket, or you can also glue it into your journal if you want to, but I thought it would be nice with the library cards to include these. And I have a sheet with different bits and pieces, flowers, and you can punch those out and use those on your makings. So 21 pages. No, 20 pages, sorry, 21 including the showcase page, but 10 of those and 10 of those. So you receive a lot of goodies to play with, and it will be listed in my Etsy. It will also be on sale, and you will be seeing a lot of this kit, because this will be also the kit that the design team members are going to use. And like I said, it has a lot of items. all of those these sheets, the ephemera pieces together, 64 items, so the page is not included, so that's a lot to play with. And yes, this is it for today. I hope you liked it. If you want to leave a comment, please do, and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. Just a reminder, for those of you who do watch this channel are members in my Facebook group or want to be a member of my Facebook group, I will have the links down below. There's a challenge going on in the group, Matters of the Heart, and you can win a small journal. And let me grab it one moment, please. This is the journal I'm working on. It's not finished, but I did do some stuff lately. Did some sewing, and I haven't shown you everything, I think, in the previous video, but I made these. I did put the tag toppers on, and I sewed around the corners, and I even made this page, and this is fabric, and it's like 3D roses. It was very difficult to sew it on, but yeah, I managed. And I have a lot of stuff to play with to put in the journal, but this I made. I have a video on this on yesterday, and I was inspired by the one that is in this journal. And this is a blue journal that I'm making with the Blue Memories kit. Still not finished. I'm still working on it, but I'm working on 2 journals at the same time. And I also made this, and I have to flatten this again, and I have to I still have to put on beads on here, and this is the spine, and this is the front large tag. And yeah, I have a video on almost everything I did on this journal, but the cover making was extremely long, so I am going to put it up in my channel. I'm going to upload it, but I'm going to do a video with high speed and with some music. So yeah, now we are finally saying goodbye. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.